Ayi bafethu uthe uqala episode 35 no 36 we-Outlaws namhlanje siyambona uLeruo ubani ulaphayana kubandile e-ofisini lakhe uzomtshela kabanzi ukuthi kwenzakalani bafethu. Kuthi kusenjalo nakhona nangala bafethu umfana lona uMusa uthena ebanjiwe laphayana umaka Leruo wavela waphunyuka wabaleka umfana wafika kohlala lapha wafika lusho udaba ukuthi hey kwenzeke kanje bekubambe laba bakhipha lokho iqiniso. Nalapho futhi nalabo ohlale nalo nkosikazi sebeyaqala manje bafuna uLudumisane kuthi kusenjalo nakhona bafethu kuningi okwenzakalile ngifuna ukuchaza konke ngcono vele sigibele phezwayo episode sikhuluma ukuthi kahle kwenzakaleni kwinamhlanje bafethu kwi-Outlaws. Hayi kumnandi kakhulu. Nginibingelele bafethu mhla ka-3 kaJanuwari igama lami ngu-Azad okancalane bafethu. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for coming through. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for those who have subscribed. Thank you so much for those who have spread the word about my channel. Ngiyayibona iyakhula and I'm here to entertain you at every chance I get. Every week sizokhuluma about our favorite soapies and dramas playing on TV and streaming services. So asigibele phezulu bafethu. So ithe iqala bafethu episode yokuqala u35 ubandile usesemathuneni emalibeni abazali bakhe ezokhuluma naye, and then all of a sudden uLeruo pops through ezokhuluma naye ngoba efuna uzomchazela ukuthi what exactly is happening. Uzomchazela ukuthi bandile, do not be believing anything eshow bani uhlale. Hayi ubandile athi unesho nje ukuthi lento eshow iqiniso athi yaca se-office yokhuluma afike e-office afika lusho lokho udaba uLeruo ukuthi hayi yazini kahle mfethu thina sisebenzela ubani kanje. Naye athuka ubandile uthi hayi bonisebenzela abani uDumisani Dlamini. Yacabanga uthi hayi bo, this is the same guy who was actually friends with my dad besakhula and we took him as a father, so how can you say you guys were actually working for him? And ubandile just couldn't believe it, like he was out of his mind that this is actually true. And then while that is happening, umfana uMusa, who was actually kept captive by uLeruo's mom and Leruo, he actually escapes, goes to umuzi kaTlali and umuzi kaNyakalo, and then asho lapha ukuthi guys, I was held captive bangihlukumeza and I actually told them everything eniyenzayo. Yonke into ama-plans eniwashilo lapha, there was nothing else I can do. If I did not say it, they were gonna torture me until I die. Yabo bavele babona ukuthi ayishubile, we need to tell uDumisani usenzakalani. Bamtshela uDumisani ukulalela uLeruo usendleleni yokuya kubandile yomtshela iqiniso ngawe nayo yonke into. Wavela sukume lo baba aphuthuma yekona uthi hey usafuna ukuyotshela ubandile ukwenzakalani. Mayifika lapha kufika kudliwa idina wonke umndeni uhleli kanjani. Wavela suke athi ngeke uze kwazi ngicela ukukhuluma nobandile bafethu ngaqhumanisa isidlo sebusuku, and they were like unkosikazi no ubandile ukhona but still his office is busy and so forth and whatnot. And uDumisani Dlamini was like, no guys, don't worry, continue with your dinner, I know where his office is, I'll go to him. And then he goes to the office. By the time he reaches the office, ubandile benoLeruo, they were coming out of the office because at the end of the discussion yabo ukuthi bazoya police station. Ubandile ababone, and then the next thing wadubula la uDumisani. Mayidubula ubandile uLeruo abaleke. Mase ufika umndeni naye futhi uDumisani he excessive surprise ukwenzakaleni, is like no angazi kwenzakaleni vele wakhala isibhamu umfana omsuthu ubalekile kanjani. Yabona lapho uDumisani nakhona uhamba nayo indodana lo Kwanele after isigameka senzile ukusashaya unkosikazi uzamile ukuxolisa unkosikazi uthi nje awume kancane mina nawe sesisharp phela indaba yethu, and then asayikhiphe nendaba ukuthi ufoyini ubudujuliwe ekini kanje manje kuyesibhedlela ke kuyokhulunywa ukuthi kahle what exactly happened. Yini yonke lento ezakalayo udokotela ithini into udokotela afika achazeke ukuthi hayi kanje yabo. Hayi noSihla afike naye abuza ukuthi so what's the next move, asho kusephumulo ukuthi no guys, I've got a CCTV footage that shows this guy running away from eplazini. Abakhombisa i-CCTV footage, it shows a guy but it doesn't actually show his face. You understand a lot of life, so this is just fuzzy. And then kuthe kusenjalo ke unkosikazi badla wacela udokotela ngicela kuyombona bandla umyeni wami, ngicela kuyombona ubandile ngoba esalele sejara kuthiwa sebemhlinzile bakhipha nenhlamvu just ukumbona ngoba usakwicoma, maybe for him hearing my voice kuzomsiza ahambe kunkosikazi ayombona, afike lapha afika athandaza athi kodwa uNkulunkulu wami kanjani yonke lento ngathi ungaya noSihla. Unkosikazi avela ahlanye athi wena yona yonke le msebenzi yakho for you ukuthi usanena lo wamsuthu kanjani uba ukwenzanga ngoba yikho yonke lento le. Bandla naza umxolisa kuSihle, zamxolisa manje uSihle axolise, and then unkosikazi was like, you know what, if you really want to show ukuthi you do care about umfowenu kumele utshele amaphoyisa. They understand a lot of leyo, And then ngala eBasuthwini bafethu, ngala eBasuthwini hayi nabo baphilela into zabo ukuthi ngoba sekwenzeke kanje kumele kube khona indlela abazokwenza ngayo. Uyabo? And nangu nayo uLeroux la uyawutshela umndeni wakhe uthi hey bafethu ngibabonile abantu and uBandile uyayivuma yonke into usikanjani kanjani kodwa basekwenzeka into kanje. Yabo? Wabaleka ke kanjani odubuleka yonke lento bachazela uma wakhe nomngani wakhe lapha. Yeah, understand lento leyo. Hayi kuthe kusenjalo nangu nohlali lana benonkosikazi wakhe bayekhuluma yonke lento lena and unyakalo bafethu abantu osazana unyakalo is like hey yabona nje ngifuna ukumbulala mina uSihle ngokuthi wangithathela indoda uhlali nawo sayibo ungazongijwayela kabona ungazongijwayela ukuthathela ini hayi cha wena phela umnyeni wami kanjani yonke lento le hayi bafethu unyakalo uvele waphunyuka this is what we call ukuphunyuka ukuphahluka in fact yabo. So anyways uDumsani abafonela abatshela ukuthi guys ngifuna ihlome ihlasela nihambe nohlasela lapha eKhabeni ningashiyi kwasani nibulale kwasani yonke into ngifuna yonke into ikhombe bani ikhombe iLeroux ngoba already as it is istory la ngaphandle ukuthini ukuthi uLeroux udubule bani uBandile. Yeah, understand that leyo. On the other hand ngala okwanele is trying by all means to rectify izinto phakathi kwakhe noSihle after esemshayile and Sihle is just not having it. Azacisha semdelela ukwanele abo ucela usizo kubaba wakhe ubaba wakhe ayikhuleka ngeke azadivorce lo muntu lo uyakuthanda khuleka wena thela amanzi phansi. Yabo. Hayi bafethu uLeroux ulethe uhlali sorry ahlanganisa amabutho la uyahlanganisa amithitho la ukuthi madoda siyohlasela lapha. Ikhanda lomzulu lilodwa kuzoba 10,000 elasihle kuzoba imali engaka. Kanti ngaphandle ulalela umngani kaLeroux ukuthi hey bahloma bayahlasela labantu lapha. Hey ishubile kanti nangala nayo uSihle nayo usefika ekhaya nanga uma omkhulu uyathatha izinto uyahamba uthi kwama bheketana la ekhaya kuyaxatshana kanjani. Hey mina ngiyahamba ahlanganise namabutho akhe naye la uSihle athi hey mabutho ziyabuya labantu uma befika ngapho lesima siyafuna ukuhlaselwa ngeke sidlale labesuthu thina angeke nje sidlale labesuthu okwamanje uSihle doesn't know ukuthi kahle uLeroux is innocent uhlali uye kahle umgile emkhulu. Yeah, understand lento leyo. Hawu umngani kaLeroux athathe le daba ekhathi elalele kohlali ehlomisa amadoda wambo tshela uLeroux ukuthi Leroux kanje uhlale uthi nje bayobulala lapha yabobulala uSihle kakhulukazi. uLeroux wathi nje nakamhlola ngeke iziyenzeke ngikhona le nto leyo yaphakathi. Hayi ke bafethu iphele kanjalo ke episode ya 35 no 36 kumhla ka3 kuJanuary 2024. The year is starting with a bang. The shows are very nice. Asibone ke bafethu ukuthi ngesonto ezayo kuzokwenzakalani. Is uBandile uzovuka yini kwikhoma basohlasela olimali uSihle ngabe izophelela lapha indaba kaKwanele ngabe izophelela lapha indaba kaDumsani ngoba uDumsani is quite interested ngendaba kaBandile ukuthi ngabe uzolala noma uzovuka noma wenzakalani. Bizo uyabuza ibhedlela wenza zonke izinto. Hayi bafethu akube njalo ngicela ukubonga wonke umuntu for the support and everything. Thank you bafethu for the support and thank you for watching my channel nokubuka ne-episode namhlanje ngiya-reviewer le show lena Outlaws edlala ku-Showmax episode 35 no 36. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel bafethu khona nizokwazi ukuthola ama-notifications. Press that bell button bafethu ungaphuthwa yilutho khona sizokwazi ukuxoxa ngale zinto uma ukuthi nani khona nifuna ukusho comments nisho bafethu ukuthi hayi cha kukanje hayi kukanje. Okay, thank you so much.